Welcome to this tutorial on how to invest in silver with Fidelity. Today, we will walk you through the steps to add silver to your investment portfolio using Fidelity's platform. Investing in silver can be a great way to diversify your assets and hedge against inflation. First, you need to open a Fidelity brokerage account if you do not already have one. Visit Fidelity's website and click on Open an Account. Follow the prompts to complete your registration. You will need to provide some personal information, financial details, and identification. Make sure to choose an account type that meets your investment goals, such as an individual brokerage account or an IRA. Once your account is set up, log into your Fidelity account and navigate to the trading section. Here, you can search for silver exchange-traded funds or ETFs that track the price of silver. Some popular options include the iShares Silver Trust and the Sprott Physical Silver Trust. You can also consider purchasing silver mining stocks if you are interested in equity investments tied to the silver market. Before you make any purchases, it's essential to research the silver market and understand the risks associated with investing in commodities. Once you have made your decision, input the quantity and confirm your order.